All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. Um, Good day, Biafrans, friends of Biafrans, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings to you in the name of Chukwuabiama. You see, my name is Desmond, and I'll go straight to the point. This video is absolutely for the Biafran people, IPOB family worldwide, and for the Biafran indigenes. Anyway, in any way, if you are a Nigerian or Arewa or Dudua as you may be, and you come across this video, you can learn one or two things also. But it is absolutely for the Biafran people. My fellow Biafrans and IPOB family worldwide, I just want to talk to us about our leaders' call off of our election boycott, just in a very simple way, to my own understanding, because anything I'm saying is basically on my own view and my own understanding. You all know that our fight and our struggle for the emancipation of Biafra to get our Biafran sovereignty is not against the zoo, the so-called Nigerian zoo, it is actually against the British, because Nigeria is a colony of the British, and anything that happens in Nigeria, the British are the people controlling it. They follow up the events that unfold in Nigeria bomber to bomber, day by day, minute by minute, because it is actually their company to make their money. So when our leader called off the election boycott, he has his own reasons and everything, and he said that the conditions that he laid to them has been met. Some people were asking, okay, is it Atiku that made this condition, or is it the so-called Jubilee? Who we don't. The people that are in charge of that zoo is the British, and they are the people, because let me just explain to us. The British knows that immediately we shut down the whole of the Biafran region in the so-called zoo, that is in so-called Nigeria, immediately we shut down the whole of the Biafran region, that the world, because already, remember, sometime our leader always say that why we will not act is because we want to first of all draw the consciousness of the world. And now we have gotten the consciousness of the world. At least we know that to an extent in Israel, in America, they are talking about Biafra. So the government of these great countries, they are very much aware about Biafra. So what is happening? The British knows that if we conduct that referendum and shut down the Biafran region, that is the southeast and the Biafran region, in fact, the oldest region in that their company called Nigeria, they know that the world powers, which is Israel, America, will come in. Remember, because if we conduct our referendum, it's going to be successful. And then what is next? It's for us to declare Biafra. Then the zoo will come with their army, and then all this world power will now come to intervene. The British doesn't want that. They don't want us to shut down that region on that election day, so that these world powers will not come in. You understand now? That is why they rushed and signed this document. Our leader has been telling them to sign since. They just want to see our resoluteness, because our leaders has always told us that whatsoever thing we are told to do, we should do it. When we say come out and protest, we should come out and protest. Everything we do has its own results. We can see that they couldn't even allow us to shut down the whole Southeast on election day. Why? Because they know the consequences of it. I'm talking about the British people. So my fellow Biafrans and IPOB worldwide, our leader knows what he is doing, and we should keep on praying for our leadership, the IPOB leadership, both our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Uche Mefo, our principal officers, our Directorate of States, and everybody. We should keep on praying for them for wisdom and understanding, because the British, they are very trickish people. We all know that they might want to come with another trickish to bring in division, but I know our chain now, the chain we have now, is stronger than anything man can break. So right now, the British, cannot break our chain. We will continue and we will remain resoluteness. So I hereby advise our IPOB family members, our Biafrans, keep on the good work, steadfastness. Let us keep moving, let us keep pushing, continue our family meetings, continue our monthly due donation and everything that we've been doing. Believe me and you, we are just waiting for a good news from our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which he is going to relay to us very, very soon. We should not worry about anything, okay? We are victorious. Victory is ours. We have gotten our victory. I'm telling you, we have gotten our victory. And through the special grace of Chukwu Abiyama, we will be in the land of Biafra very soon. God bless we all. God bless our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless his deputy. God bless the Directorate of State, the head Chika Edoziem, and all IPOB principal officers, all Biafrans worldwide. God bless you all in the name of Chukwu Abiyama. As we hope and as we pray, God will surely bless us in the name of Chukwu Abiyama. He say, victory is ours. He say.